Meaning of Kelvin.
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 Kelvin. Kelvin is the standard unit of measurement for temperature in the International System of Units, SI. It is named after the British physicist and mathematician William Thomson, also known as Lord Kelvin. 1 Kelvin, 1 K, is defined as the fraction 1/273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water, which is the temperature at which water, ice, and water vapor coexist in a stable equilibrium. The Kelvin scale has its zero point at absolute zero, which is the theoretical temperature at which all matter has no thermal energy and all molecular motion stops.